Hello friends, hi. I am Parul Tripathi. Welcome to my channel Parul Ke Pakwan. So today I am going to explain Jodhpur famous pyaj kachori. So see the ingredients. What the ingredients I am going to use for the khasta kachori. So Jodhpuri famous khasta kachori, pyaj kachori. I am going to make today. So see the ingredients. What the ingredients are I am using for making the Jodhpuri's famous khasta kachori. So first of all I am using 1 tablespoon ajwain seeds, means carom seeds, and I am using jeera powder. It means cumin seeds powder. 1 tablespoon. In 1 tablespoon I am using red chili powder and 1 pinch hing. I am using 1 pinch hing. You can choose any type of hing from any brand. So I am using cardamom seeds powder, 1 tablespoon, and I am using 1 tablespoon garam masala powder and salt as per taste. So these are the spices, and I am using 4 to 5 tablespoon refined oil, and I am using 1 big size onion which I have already peeled off, and I am using 3 to 4 green chili जो I have already chopped it. I am using dry mango powder. So 1 to 2 tablespoon I am using dry mango powder. So you can use the dry mango powder of any brand. And main ingredients of this recipe is potatoes. So I have taken half kg boiled potatoes. So these are the ingredients. Let's see how to make the recipe. Jodhpuri famous khasta kachori recipe. I have taken half kg white flour, means maida. So how to make the dough? See this. First of all I will make dough. So what is the method of the how to make the dough for the khasta kachori recipe? So first of all I make the hole like this, and I will put 3 to 4 tablespoon refined oil in this flour. White flour means maida, and mix it well properly for 2 to 3 minutes like this. It is very necessary to add the refined oil, because if you will add this, the khasta will make very tasty and very delicious and very soft and delicious, and it will become very crunchy. And after that I will add ajwain seeds. I have taken 2 tablespoon ajwain seeds. So I will add in this flour. And now I will add salt. Ajwain seeds means alumi seeds. and I will, after that I will add salt. So you will add salt as per taste. So I have add the 1 tablespoon salt only, because I will add salt in the potatoes, mixture of potatoes. So I have taken 1 tablespoon salt. So I mix well all the ingredients properly. Now I will add some water. I have taken 1 glass water, but I will add water slowly, and I will make dough like this. Don't pour water in one time, only some water you will add. After that, if it absorbs, flour absorb the water, then I will add water again in this flour. Like this, make the perfect dough. Very soft dough I will prepare. So I will pressing it for 4 to 5 minutes like this. And now the dough is ready for making khasta kachori. Now dough is ready, and keep it for 3 to 4 minutes. Now I will mash all the boiled potatoes properly. So I mashed all the potatoes like this. Now I will fry. Now I put the pan on the gas, and I will just add some oil, 2 to 3 tablespoon mustard oil in the pan. Now oil became warm after 1 or 2 minutes, and I will just put chopped onion in the pan and fry it properly when it becomes golden brown. Fry it for 2 to 3 minutes. In this pan I will put just chopped green chili, which I have already chopped it. 3 to 4 green chili I have chopped it already, so I added in this onion, with this onion. Now I will fry it for 2 to 3 minutes when the onion becomes golden brown. Now I will add all the spices, all the ingredients in the pan. Now I first of all am taking 1 pinch hing in the oil. So I put the hing, means acetoformida. Now I will add boiled potatoes, which I have taken, and mashed boiled potato, which I have already prepared. And mix it well. Gas flame will be in a low flame. I will put the gas in a low flame, and I will fry it properly for 2 to 3 minutes. I will add all the spices in this. First of all, I will add salt as per taste. We'll put salt. I have added 1.5 tablespoon salt, because I have to add the salt in the dough and the white flour which I have already prepared. So please, measurement of the salt as per taste you will add in those potatoes. Now I will add 1 tablespoon coriander powder. Now I will add 1 tablespoon garam masala powder. Now I will add 1 tablespoon cumin seed powder, means jeera powder. 1 to 2 tablespoon. I will add 2 tablespoon cumin seed powder, jeera powder. Now after that I will add red chili powder. So 1 tablespoon I will add red chili powder. So mix it well properly. So I am making the Jodhpur famous khasta kachori. So these are the requirement of the spices and all the ingredients which is required in this kachori, khasta kachori. And fried boiled oil is very necessary for this. So I fried this properly. Now after that I will add dried mango powder. So 1 tablespoon dried mango powder I will add in the potato and all the ingredients mixture. Dry mango powder increases the taste of the khasta kachori. So it is very necessary ingredients for the khasta kachori. Now see how to make kachori. So first of all, take some dough and make the roll like this. I make some small round shape balls. And I will prepare roti from these doughs. I will take some dry flour for making the rotis. Some small size roti I will prepare for the filling of potato mixture, like this. Now I will fill filling of potatoes which I prepared. So 1 tablespoon I will fill in this roti, small size roti, and I will do like this. I will cover it like this and make a small kachori like this. I will cover it. Now I will prepare roti again, small roti, only 1 or 2 times I will roll this. I will prepare it with the help of this roller. So prepare all the khasta kachori like this, all the rotis like this, which I filled the potatoes filling in this roti. So I will prepare all the rotis from these doughs. So which I have taken doughs. So I will prepare all the khasta kachori rotis, which I fill the potatoes filling in this dough in the small size ball which I have taken. Now all the khasta kachori which I have filled potatoes, so all the khasta kachori are ready. Now I will fry it. So I have taken mustard oil in the pan and wait for the 3 to 4 minutes for when the oil will be warm, then I will fry all the khastas in this oil. Now I prepared one plate for when you will fry all the khasta, and we will take out from the pan all the khasta when it will fry it properly. So I have some foil paper. I have taken foil paper. I will apply on the plate. Now oil is warm. Oil has warmed properly. So I will put all the khastas. I will switch the low. I will keep the gas in the low flame. I will put the one by one khastas in the oil, mustard oil. I will fry it in a low flame. So if there is a space of 2 or 3 khastas, so you just can put it in the oil. So in the low flame I will fry it properly. Like this. Now turn all the khastas on another side like this. So in a low flame of gas I will fry all the khastas properly. So this is the method of the frying the khastas, khasta kachori. So it is very famous recipe of the Jodhpur, pyaj kachori, pyaj and khasta kachori. So you will try at your home. It is very tasty, very delicious. Its color becomes golden brown. So you will turn it properly both sided when it becomes golden brown. So wait for 2 to 3 minutes. Now all the khastas are ready. It looks very delicious and it's very tasty. So it becomes ready. It looks like balloon. So see this? It looks like round and balloon shape. So all the khastas are ready. So I will take out in this plate in the foil sheet. It's yummy. Khasta pyaj kachori. It is very famous in the Jodhpur. So I have tried for you. So look at it. It is very beautiful, very nice. So you can try it. I will serve it with the potato curry, potato and curry vegetable. So I will serve it. So I will share my potato curry vegetable recipe on my next video. So I am going to serve it with the potato curry vegetable, this khasta pyaj kachori recipe. So I will fry all the khastas like this, which I have fried already. So I will fry all the khastas. Now see this kachori. It is very crunchy like this. It becomes very crunchy. It is very delicious like this. So it's very crunchy and it's very delicious. So I prepared all the kachoris, so you can try it with my channel. Please watch it, this recipe, and try it also. So friends, now khasta pyaj kachori is ready. So please try to it at your home. Please watch my video full, and if you like this recipe, please subscribe my channel and comment also, and share my videos more and more to others, and press the bell icon for the notification. So thank you so much. Have a nice day. Bye bye, and take care of yourself. Stay home, stay healthy, and stay safe. Bye bye.